Hi, I'm Joe from J Kairis Recycling, formerly M Dunn Recycling. We're located at 3611 Welsh Road, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, 19136. Our phone number is 215-624-2420. Our prices may change. Sometimes they change week to week, month to month, but right now they're changing day by day. So give us a call for the most accurate price. Our phone number is 215-624-2420. This is our blog for June 13th, 2022, Scrap Metal, Philadelphia. For today, we're going to take apart this light fixture. We're going to take the ballast out, we'll take the light bulb out, and we'll separate the different metals, because when you have it all together as one, it will go for like an iron aluminum price, which is probably 1/5 the price you'll get for it once you take it apart. Okay, we'll take this light bulb out of here. And it just unscrews very easily. I'm going to set it down right on the ground so I don't break it. And then we have just a couple of little screws here we'll pop out to take the shield off. Already took the one screw out, the other one. We take the shield off and we can see inside here we have a transformer ballast. We have the light socket with its framework. It's all steel, galvanized steel. And we have the capacitor here with the steel strap holding on. So all we have to do is take these couple screws out of here. We take these out and it all will just fall apart. Then we'll have the cast aluminum, the ballast separated, and the aluminum is worth 5 times the price of iron aluminum by itself, so we'll be gaining money there. And the ballast is worth probably about 3 times the price, so we'll be gaining money there. The little steel shell here will be only worth actually the price of iron aluminum, so we won't actually even be losing any money on that, because if we sell it as steel and iron aluminum are about a penny or two apart, so it doesn't really make any difference. There is a lot of work to taking something apart. It takes a lot of time, but the work most of the time isn't super hard, so you just keep on taking these things apart. And we'll cut all the wire off of this and we'll put it into a wire pile, because that wire will be over $1 a pound, whereas iron aluminum is probably close to 10 cents a pound. So everything we take apart we're gaining money on, so only pennies, but it all adds up. And that's this little heat shield here for it. The wiring. Now we have a cast aluminum box. We do have one more part, probably the hardest part to take apart. I have to grab another tool. Okay, this is the brace mount for the, that holds the light up. I guess is what you'll screw to a pole or building, whatever the thing would be screwed to. And that's where it all falls apart. This is actually a piece of aluminum, so that's good. And we have this is steel, and this is a little piece of aluminum. Okay, we'll show you the differences of what we have here, the steel, the aluminum, and the wire. So right here, this will be all the steel that we took off of the light. And a little piece of cardboard, a heat sink material. And the capacitor here. This is all go in your steel pile. We don't take steel here or buy it, but that can go in your steel pile. But we do buy the transformers, and these are worth about 35 cents a pound. So we upgrade from 10 cents a pound to 35 cents a pound. And we have the wire, which we didn't get much wire out of it, but it will add up, and that would be $1 a pound, so whatever we get. And this is all aluminum here. This is all aluminum, and we put this all with this, and now we have all aluminum here, which is about 60 cents a pound. So you can see we took a little bit of steel off, and we upgraded all this. So this here will be worth more money. We'll go over to the scale and try to show you the difference. Okay, we're at the scale here. We'll put the aluminum on the scale. Looks like it's about 5 pounds of aluminum. So that would come out to be $3 on just your aluminum here. Okay, we have a transformer we'll put on the scale, and the transformer weighs 9 pounds, so that would be $3.15 for the transformer. Okay, we've got everything that makes us good money out of there. The little bit of wire I just put on top of the aluminum because it was only less than an ounce, so you'd have to save a whole bunch of that in your own bag. But we got a 17-pound total on our light fixture, which would have been $1.70 as iron aluminum. And we got $6.15 worth of metal. So we turned $1.70 light into $6.15 for just taking it apart. It's a short amount of time. So that would be the difference in value. So to take your own stuff apart, a lot of people come in and they say, this is just all aluminum, but it's usually not. So not until it's taken apart. And there's a big difference in price, as you can see. So hopefully everybody takes their stuff apart and brings it in, saves us the work. Well, that's our blog for this week, and we have a little reminder about our hours for the summer. We are closed Saturdays in June, July, and August. We'll be back to Saturday the week after Labor Day. So that's about it for this time. Hope to see you again. Thanks. We're located at 3611 Welsh Road, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, 19136. Our phone number is 215-624-2420. You can visit us at www.mdunnrecycling.com.